Hi, today we are going to learn about identifying parallel, perpendicular and oblique from equations. Let's first of all understand what are parallel, perpendicular and oblique equations or oblique lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines never intersect each other and they have same slope. We can see, suppose this is line L1, this is L2. You can see line L1 is parallel to L2. Perpendicular lines. They intersect at a right angle and they have opposite reciprocal slope. This is the right angle they are intersecting at. Suppose this is L1, this is L2. We can say L1 is perpendicular to L2. Now suppose the slope of line L1 is M1 and slope of line L2 is M2. Here we say M1 is M2 equal, and here we say M1 is equal to minus 1 by M2, or we can say M2 is equal to minus 1 by M1, or we can also say M1 times M2 is equal to minus 1. Oblique lines intersect at a non-right angle, non-equal and non-opposite reciprocal slopes. That is, oblique lines, suppose this is L1, this is L2. L1 and L2 are oblique lines. They are neither parallel nor perpendicular. They intersect at a non-right angle. So, let's look at the problems now. Determine types of lines, parallel, perpendicular or oblique. Negative x, negative y is equal to negative 1. Negative 3x plus 3y is equal to 3. Let's first of all convert them in the slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b to determine the slope. I have minus x minus y is equal to minus 1. I can take minus common. So minus of x plus y will be equal to minus 1. This implies x plus y is equal to 1. This implies y is equal to minus x plus 1. Subtracting x both sides. So this implies, suppose this is m1 is equal to minus 1, comparing with the slope-intercept form. Minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 3. Adding 3x both sides, I get 3y is equal to 3x plus 3. Taking common 3 times x plus 1. Dividing by 3 both sides, I get y is equal to x plus 1. So m2 is equal to 1. Plus 1. So multiply m1 and m2 together. I get minus 1 times 1, that's minus 1. So they are negative reciprocal of each other, so these lines are perpendicular. So we can say B perpendicular is the answer. Next problem. Determine the types of lines parallel, perpendicular or oblique. X plus 7y is equal to negative 8. Negative 11x plus 7y is equal to 8. First is x plus 7y is equal to minus 8. This implies 7y is equal to minus x minus 8, subtracting x both sides and dividing by 7 both sides, I get y is equal to minus 1 by 7x minus 8 by 7. So m1 becomes minus 1 by 7. m2. Now let's see line 2. Minus 11x plus 7y is equal to 8. This implies 7y is equal to 11x plus 8, adding 11x both sides. Now dividing by 7, y is equal to 11 by 7x plus 8. So m2 becomes 11 by 7. Now m1 is not equal to m2. Let's see m1 times m2. Minus 1 by 7 times 11 by 7. Minus 11 by 49. 7 times 7 is 49. So negative 11 by 49 not equal to minus 1. Therefore lines are neither perpendicular nor parallel. So we can say the lines are oblique. So D oblique is the answer. Next problem. Determine the types of lines parallel, perpendicular or oblique. 3x plus 20y is equal to minus 4. Y plus 17 is equal to minus 3 by 20 times x minus 8. 3x plus 20y is equal to negative 4. This implies 20y will be equal to minus 3x minus 4. We subtracted 3x both sides. Dividing by 20 now, y is equal to minus 3 by 20 x minus 4 by 20. So m1 becomes minus 3 by 20. Let's see m2 now. I have y plus 17 is equal to minus 3 by 20 times x minus 8. So y plus 17 is equal to minus 3 by 20 x plus 3 by 20 times 8. I'm using the distributive property. And now subtract 17. Y is equal to minus 3 by 20 x plus 3 by 20 times 8 minus 17. So my slope becomes minus 3 by 20. M2 is minus 3 by 20. Therefore M1 is equal to M2. Solar lines are parallel. So C, parallel, is the answer. I hope you can practice more problems on identifying parallel, perpendicular and oblique from equations now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.